Alright, so someone had asked for a cold start on the car. They wanted to hear it running. What I'm just going to show is just the engine is obviously cold right now. Putting my hand right on the header there. Rubbing my fingers on it. You can tell ice cold. I forgot to mention on the other video, AC actually works, blows ice cold. In the middle of summer, 90-degree days, car runs nice and cool. Ice cold AC. No issues with that. And like you saw, I just touched the header on it. So it is cold. And here we go. Key in the ignition. Radio works. Somebody had asked about that too.
Accurate and reliable.
You need to know when to go.
Equalizer, radio, everything works on it. Turn that down so you can hear the engine. So you got your cold start there. As you can see, it's idling just over 1,000, so it's not warmed up. Car probably hasn't been started in about 2 weeks. Nice cold engine. You can hear no ticks, no knocks, nothing like that. No smoke, nothing like that. Back in the car here, you can see idling still a little bit over 1,000. Where's the temperature gauge? Yeah, temperature gauge you can see still down low. Give her a quick rev so you can hear it. Like I said, no surprises with this car.